Definition of terms under checkup period. Document. Any material which contains mark, sign, or symbol, either visible, partially visible, or invisible, which convey a meaning or message to someone. Question document. Any documents about which some issues has been raised or is under security is referred to as a question document. Disputed document. The term disputed suggests that there is an argument or controversy over the document. In ordinary practice among examiners, disputed and question documents are employed interchangeably to signify a document which is under special security. Holographic document. Any document which is completely written and signed by one person is known as holographic document. In a number of jurisdictions, holographic can be probated without anyone having witnessed its execution. Examination is the fact of making close and critical study of any material and which question document is the process necessary to discover the facts about them. Comparison is the act of setting two or more items side by side to weigh the identified qualities. Collision means critical comparison or side by side. Microscopic examination, any examination or study which is made with microscope in order to discover. We need physical details. Oblique or side-like examination. Any examination with the illumination so controlled that it grazes or strikes the surface of the document from one side at a very low angle is referred to as a oblique or side-light examination. Transmitted or transferred light examination is an examination of this kind. The document is viewed with the source of illumination behind it and the light passing through the paper. Ultraviolet light. Ultraviolet light radiation is visible and occurs in wavelengths just below the visible violet end of the spectrum. These invisible rays react on some substances so that light visible is reflected, a phenomenon such as fluorescence. Infrared examination. Infrared examination of documents employs invisible radiation beyond the red portion of the visible spectrum, which is usually recorded on special sanitized photographic emulsions. Signature is one name written by himself on the document as a sign of acknowledgement. Evidential signature. Signature signed at a particular time and place, under particular condition, while the signer was at a particular age. This particular implements and with a particular reason and purpose for recording his name. Model signature, a genuine signature which has been used to prepare in imitated or trace forgery as known as model. Simulated signature, a freehand drawing in imitation of model signature. Handwriting, the visible effect of the bodily movements which is almost conscious expression of certain ideas with the script form. Standard, we mean those origins are known and can be proven which can be legally used as an example to compare with the others matters in question. Sample, a selected representative portion of the whole is known as sample. The term follows usually statistically usage. Exemplars, specimen of writing of suspects. Forgery is the making or alerting of a written instrument which intend to fraud another person. Also highly specialized form of disguise. Signature of one person signed by another person. Freehand imitation. A fraudulent signature was acquired purely by simulation rather than by tracing the outline of a genuine simulated forgery. Habit. A writing habit is any repeated elements or detail which may serve as individualized writing characteristics, any property or marks which distinguish in document examination commonly referred to identifying details. Cursive writing, right? Cursive writing. Writing in which the letters are the model part joined together in cursive. Natural writing. Any specimen writing executed normally without any attempt to control or to identify habits, and it's usually meant for execution. Disguised writing. Any writing may be deliberated or alter his usual writing habits in hope finding his identity.